question is this: how you will check memory exhaustion? How you can check about the memory? So you can check memory by using the free command I have shown you already to display the available physical memories. And want this value high, like free-h command will display. Free command is used for the displaying the available space, but h option is used for the human readable. So human readable means memory. The total size is 5.8 GB and use the 978 megabyte. So there is a available in it 2.5. Because the swap the swap size is 2 GB and all is the free space. The single command is not enough. So you can use the another command. This command name is a vmstat. It is the virtual memory status. It is displayed you the virtual memory status. Virtual memory means swap memory. And it is displays the utilization of the virtual memory and want this value low and use a -h option for the human readable format. vmstat command is here, and this time you can see it is not easy to understand because it is displaying in a size of the blocks. So you can use the vmstat -h command, so it will display the human readable format. And you can understand how much memory has been installed in your system and how much free available, and only it will display the information about the swap, only swap. It is not going to give the information of the physical memory, physical RAM. It is not displaying only this physical RAM. It is displaying the swap RAM or virtual RAM. Swap memory, or it's called virtual memory.